Are you curious about how to scale the twin peaks of crypto that are Bitcoin and Ethereum, but don't know where to start? In this video, we'll provide a comprehensive Bitcoin guide and walk you through the essential Ethereum steps. We'll break down everything you need to know, covering cryptocurrency basics and key tips for investing in crypto, so you can navigate the world of cryptocurrency with confidence. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the biggest names in the crypto world. If you're new to investing, don't worry. We'll keep it simple and straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what these cryptocurrencies are all about and how you can get started with them. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, was the first cryptocurrency and has paved the way for the entire market. Its main appeal lies in its decentralized nature, meaning no single entity controls it. Ethereum, on the other hand, brought a new dimension to the crypto space with its smart contract functionality, allowing developers to create decentralized applications. This has opened up a world of possibilities, from decentralized finance, DeFi, to non-fungible tokens, NFTs. But first, let's see what makes Bitcoin and Ethereum stand out from each other. So, what exactly sets Bitcoin and Ethereum apart? The answer might surprise you. Let's dive into the unique features of each and discover what makes them truly special. Differences between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin was created primarily as a digital currency and a store of value. It was designed to be a decentralized alternative to traditional money, providing a secure and transparent way to conduct transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. Its limited supply of 21 million coins makes it deflationary, often compared to digital gold. Ethereum, on the other hand, is a platform for decentralized apps, apps. It was envisioned by its creator, Vitalik Buterin, as a world computer where developers could build and run applications without central control. Ethereum's blockchain is more complex, allowing for the execution of smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. This capability has revolutionized various industries, enabling everything from decentralized finance, DeFi, to digital art and collectibles through non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Think of Bitcoin as a calculator, providing a straightforward and reliable way to perform transactions. Ethereum, however, is like a smartphone, offering a versatile platform for running a wide array of applications. Both are incredibly useful, but they serve different purposes. Curious about how to get your hands on Bitcoin or Ethereum? Stick around, because we're about to walk you through the buying process with this Bitcoin guide and Ethereum steps. It's easier than you might think. How to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. First, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. These platforms act as marketplaces where you can buy, sell, and hold your cryptocurrencies. It's important to choose a reputable exchange that suits your needs in terms of fees, security, and user experience. Setting up an account is usually as easy as signing up for a new email. You'll need to provide some basic information and verify your identity, which might involve uploading a photo ID. This verification process helps protect against fraud and ensures that the platform complies with regulations, giving you peace of mind. Once your account is verified, you can fund it using your bank account or credit card. This process varies slightly depending on the exchange, but it's generally straightforward. Some exchanges even allow you to fund your account with PayPal or other payment methods. After funding your account, you can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum with just a few clicks. It's a good idea to start with small amounts until you get comfortable with the process. This way, you can familiarize yourself with the platform without risking too much money. Security is crucial when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Always remember to enable two-factor authentication for added security. This provides an extra layer of protection for your account, making it harder for hackers to gain access. For storing your crypto, consider using a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. These devices keep your private keys offline and secure, reducing the risk of hacking. Think of them as a digital safe for your crypto assets, but buying crypto is just the beginning. Owning Bitcoin or Ethereum opens up a world of possibilities, from making transactions to participating in the exciting realm of decentralized finance, DeFi. Let's see how you can actually use your newly acquired crypto to its full potential. Before that, what do you think are the different ways you can use cryptocurrencies? Maybe you even have a revolutionary idea that would shake the crypto world. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. How to use Bitcoin and Ethereum. Using Bitcoin and Ethereum is pretty straightforward. For Bitcoin, you can send and receive it, just like you would with cash, but digitally. This means you can transfer Bitcoin to anyone, anywhere in the world, instantly and with low fees. You can use Bitcoin to buy goods and services from an increasing number of merchants that accept it, ranging from online retailers to local cafes. Some people even use Bitcoin for international remittances, taking advantage of its speed and low cost compared to traditional methods. For Ethereum, the possibilities are even broader. You can use Ether, Ethereum's cryptocurrency, to interact with decentralized apps, or dApps, which run on the Ethereum blockchain. These apps cover a wide range of functions, from financial services like lending and borrowing to gaming and digital art markets. Additionally, you can create your own smart contracts on Ethereum. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements with the terms directly written into code, allowing for trustless transactions and automation. It's like having your own piece of the internet to play with, where you can do things that weren't possible before blockchain technology. But how do these two giants fit into your investment strategy? Let's explore the potential and risks involved in investing in crypto with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and how you can make the most of these opportunities. Thinking about investing in Bitcoin or Ethereum. Before you dive in, there are some crucial insights you need from our Bitcoin guide and Ethereum steps to make smart decisions. Investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum, present and future. Bitcoin and Ethereum can be great additions to your portfolio, but remember, they're still pretty volatile. It's crucial to invest only what you can afford to lose. Long-term investing can be rewarding, especially if you believe in the technology behind these cryptocurrencies. Diversifying your investments is also a smart strategy. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Looking ahead, both Bitcoin and Ethereum have exciting developments on the horizon. Bitcoin is working on improving transaction speed and reducing fees with solutions like the Lightning Network. Meanwhile, Ethereum is transitioning to Ethereum 2.0, aiming to make the network faster and more energy efficient by switching to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Influential people like Jack Dorsey and Mark Cuban are keeping a close eye on these advancements, signaling a promising future for crypto. With so much potential, it's clear that Bitcoin and Ethereum are here to stay. Let's wrap up with some final thoughts. Bitcoin and Ethereum are revolutionizing the way we think about money and technology. Whether you're looking to invest or just curious, it's a great time to learn more and get involved. Our Bitcoin guide and Ethereum steps have shown you the cryptocurrency basics you need to get started. Remember, the world of crypto is still evolving, so stay informed about investing in crypto and keep exploring. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.